In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi Events for webinars step by step. To get started, sign into your Kajabi account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head over to the marketing section and select events. This is where Kajabi lets you organize and manage webinar style sessions directly from your account. From there, click create event to begin setting up your webinar. Now you'll enter the core details for your event. Start by adding your webinar name, then set the date and time carefully. Make sure these details are correct since they'll be shown to your audience and used in reminders. Depending on your setup, you may also see additional event settings you can fill in to make everything more organized and clear. Next, choose how attendees will join the webinar. This is an important part of the setup because it defines the experience for your registrants. You might connect attendees to a live room or provide a meeting link, depending on how you plan to host the session. The key here is to make sure the access method is simple and reliable so people can join without confusion. After that, you can customize the event registration page if you want to. This is the page people will see before they sign up, so it's a good place to make the webinar feel polished and professional. You can adjust the page so it matches your branding or messaging while still keeping the registration process straightforward. Once your registration page looks good, set up your confirmation and reminder emails for registered attendees. These emails are especially useful because they help people remember the event and know exactly how to attend. A confirmation email reassures them that they successfully registered, and reminder emails can reduce no-shows by keeping the webinar top of mind. When everything is ready, publish the event. After publishing, share the registration link with your audience so people can start signing up. You can use that link anywhere you normally promote your content, as long as it leads your audience directly to the registration page. At the scheduled time, return to the events dashboard in Kajabi and start the webinar from there. This gives you a central place to manage the live event and keep everything running smoothly. After the webinar ends, review your attendee information. This helps you see who registered and who showed up, which can be useful for future follow-up. From there, you can reach out to participants if needed